Yo, morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, check with you. If I were to come and do one more time on the carbon, will it have a lot of difference or you do it more frequent? Because I was thinking whether should I do like in the bi-monthly, that means 3 months once. Will there be much improved or not really? Do you have customer that actually, do you have customer or client that do that or not actually every 3 months?
No lah, every 3 months never lah.
Too extreme.
I think every 5 to 8 months have, but every 3 months no lah.
Oh, okay. Can. But this time your so-called your new formula, there's a lot of different.
Really?
There's a lot different.
Yeah,
Especially
I was waiting for you to give me feedback.
Because I think if I drive Eco all the way, I can hit average of 15 over kilometer per liters.
Previously?
13.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's a lot. That's 100 km more.
That's correct. That's why, really. That's why. But of course, you must travel more on those longer road lah. I should say like if you travel like CBD area, of course. But CBD area also got improved. I can get 13.
Wow.
Previously was only 10 or 11 only, or even 10.5 like that.